To bring in our guest, still with us, National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, thank you for sticking around and watching this case out of New Hampshire. Eventually, we're going to be hearing from the defendant in this case. What's your synopsis of what we've seen so far?
My synopsis is that this case is not about who, what, where, or when. It's about why. Why did Victor Rivera execute these two people, right? The defense attorney already told us in her opening statement, and this is the only way to really handle this case, is that, yeah, he was the person in the video. He did kill them, but he was provoked. He did not know that they were having an affair until just then. So I looked this up, right? So in New Hampshire, a second-degree murder has up to life in prison. But a heat of passion murder is not even really a murder in New Hampshire. It's considered a manslaughter. So if she can get it down to a manslaughter, if she can get it down to a heat of passion, if she can convince the jury that a reasonably prudent person might have been provoked and become in an unstable emotional state, she might be able to flip the juries, because in New Hampshire, to bring it down to heat of passion murder, you have to show that the defendant was extremely provoked, right, by him finding out or seeing what he saw, right? You have to show that. And so at the end of the day, that's really the only play, right? If this murder happened in 1925 instead of 2024, then perhaps there wouldn't be surveillance video. He could say, they pulled a gun on me. You could do anything. But in this day and age, you pretty much know everything that happened to almost everybody, unless they're in the middle of nowhere. So we'll see what happens when he takes the stand. It's everything when he takes the stand. That's his case.